Today I will talk about how can you clear cache on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click on account down here, just click on it. So when you click on account, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on clear cache, just click on it. You click here on OK. So then here automatically it's going to clear cache with you on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.